In this box here, I have something really cool from reMarkable. Let's open it up and take a look. This is exciting. So this is Type Folio, reMarkable's new keyboard cover. It has recyclable packaging. That's important. Right. Now it's just a case of connecting it. That's nice. It snaps right in with magnets. And look, it's still so thin, even with the Type Folio on. Okay, let's give this a try. It has these tabs here that lift it up. I'm going to open a notebook and add a header. Surprisingly comfortable for such a thin keyboard. And of course, the idea here is that I'm not getting any messages or distractions. I'm just getting into the zone and focusing on what is right in front of me. When I'm not typing, it just goes back to being a neat digital notebook. I mean, if I didn't know any better, I wouldn't realize that there was actually a keyboard stowed away in there. I have some meeting notes in here that I want to get to work on and take into the next phase so that I can develop into a progress report. I'm going to tap Convert Handwriting to Text. I'm going to pop open my keyboard. And now I can keep working on this as a page of typed text. So what you see here is that I'm no longer reliant on just typing or handwriting, but I can actually start to mix both in this new way of working and thinking. And to accommodate for this, I can simply place the device in this position so that I can do both in a really natural way. This idea also extends to your other devices like your laptop or smartphone, which you can also use to take notes. Let me show you. This is really designed to help you capture your thoughts at any given moment, but it's also about fitting very closely with your existing workflow so that the benefits of this new system are really easy to take advantage of. Well, I'm going to get back to work on this, but if you want to learn more about Type Folio or reMarkable, just head over to reMarkable.com. See ya.